those sidewalk things. You press them and it's like, wait. I have one, but I don't really care. I can't believe it didn't fucking blow out.
I was hoping it would.
Right onto that Nauticop. Wait, sweet GTO. Sweet 6.4. That thing's longer than hell. That's jack stands and a jack. It's jack stands and a jack.
What else do we need?
Oh, dude, it's Little Joe.
What else do we need?
I don't know, man. It's been days.
Other than tune-up parts.
What engine?
It's a 2.8.
It's embarrassing.
93.
Should be.
Last year of it. Plugs, wires, cap, rotor.
Yeah. Actually, plugs, cap rotor. We're gonna skip the wires.
Long one?
There you go.
Thanks
Have a
much.
good day, gentlemen.
Me too.
We gotta do the cap and rotor thing.
Oh, you should do that first. It's not that bad. It's a little greasy, but
Oh, that looks like it was actually replaced
yeah.
recently.
Probably when they did these wires. I don't know. No, not yet. Anyways.
There's your new one. There, you can get your wires right. Belt, plugs, fuel filter, air filter.
Cap, rotor.
Yep. We got a spark plug socket. And it's supposed to have a rubber in there.
With no rubby.
But for some reason it's still around the spark plug down there.
Stupid rubby.
It's Joey's fault.
No.
Here.
It's like the hardest rubber in the world.
You want to just take it off? I'll give you one of these two.
I need this thing. Get in there. Yeah. Oh, this is bad. Oh,
Nice.
rubber
Probably just
seated.
never use that rubber again.
Yeah.
Just take it out.
Anyways, nice. There's already oil on it. Nice. Feel that. Feels like wood.
Oh man.
So add it to the pile. Anyways.
Can you see what you're doing?
Yeah, I can see it through this thing.
Probably see it better.
Yeah. I mean, really. I got great eyes. It's like I got 4 arms.
I got 2 spark plugs in on this side.
Damn, dude.
Yeah. I need another.
Flat rate over here.
Wait. You still got one more spark plug over there?
No, I told you we were missing one.
Missing one?
Yeah, we have lost it between here and the house.
No, there's a spark plug in that box.
I know, I need 2 more.
Oh, you need 2 more?
Yeah,
Oh, you're kidding me.
I'm not.
We lost a spark plug?
Yeah.
I'm blaming it on you. So, in the middle of our cap and rotor and wires, we are missing 2 spark plugs. Somehow we lost 2 spark plugs. So he's out there looking for the spark plugs. But, so far we got the cap and rotor on. Check. That's the rotor. And we got 4 spark plugs out of 6 that we need. And then we gotta do the belt and the air filter and the fuel filter. Did you find them?
I did not find him.
We're screwed. What'd you find?
I found the spark plug gauge lost.
Where was it?
It was under the, what is that thing? Like a table? Table? I don't know.
It's a buffet.
Oh, sorry. It was under the buffet. Buffet.
Alright, get it in there.
Get out of there.
Shake it more.
Perfect. What's this number?
This thing's gonna be ready for a tune-up. It's gonna be ready to rip.
Dude, this thing's gonna be a drift slap by the time we're done. Be out there banging gears. One wheeling everywhere. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah.
We're gonna put an air filter on and start it and rev the dog piss out of it.
What do we got done so far?
Spark plugs, wires, and a shitty cap and a shitty rotor.
Little belts over there. Wish I had more light. Can't see anything.
You got 26 Harbor Freight lights in.
Where? Here, hang on. I got something for that. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Done yet?
I'm a professional belt installer, if you couldn't tell. Proficient in reading belt diagrams.
A little more. Here, I'll help you.
Harder!
Hey, we should probably just get a tool for that.
Yeah. You got a Mexican socket set?
Got me a Mexican socket set.
Oh yeah, dude. That was really confusing me.
Okay, so 2 goes, I believe, to the one that you just said. So I just did that one, so 1 more over. Skip 1, next one. This is gonna be this one. So that's way wrong.
I think we're a little off. Yeah, so we go over and then we skip one?
Yep. Yeah, so the one your finger's on.
Yeah.
And And then this one, number 3, goes the opposite way, but skip one. So the one I just took off. So the open one.
We was 180 out.
That probably makes sense of why you couldn't put it on either. So that should make up for the other 3. Maybe.
Probably not.
I don't know. Should we see if it runs? Right.
It's closer. Not backfiring to the intake now.
Starting faster. Hello there, guy.
Over here now.
Okay, so we'll start with this one. Closest to you is number 4, and that is 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5, skip one, next one.
Whoa.
Hopefully that's a 2/8.
Skip one, next one. Okay. This isn't looking good. Then what?
What do you mean?
Then the other one's in the right spot?
Yeah.
Why isn't it starting?
I don't know, what'd you do?
Give him the catch up.
Here. Catch up.
Hey, give her fucking a couple taps before you. Yeah. Fine.
It was backfiring.
Nice. So anyways. Yeah. Here's one. Yeah, that's one. I think we were looking at it backwards.
Here, let's just go like this.
Yeah, you know, I like that idea. They clicked.
That's good.
All right, start it. Yeah, start it.
Why'd you just start right at for like a 4-3?
I don't think that's gonna happen. Even when it's brand new. Mint. Dude. Told ya. This thing is sick. Of course it will. It's mint. TBI live. Should have got stuff for an oil change. You don't need the oil. That's cement. Oh, not the heat exchanger. Nice. Nice. Chevy, like a rock, or a pillow, whatever you prefer.
Even the radio's on.
Dude, it's sick. Oh god, it smells so bad in there. Sweet fucking power stroke. It doesn't even smoke that bad.